Paradise Valley wasn't always luxury homes and mountain views. In the late 1800s, this land was open desert, used for cattle grazing between Camelback and the McDowell Mountains. In 1889, surveyors from the Rio Verde Canal Company were so taken by the beauty of the area, they named it Paradise Valley, even though it was still mostly untouched. By the early 1900s, irrigation turned grazing land into farmland. But real settlement didn't begin until after World War II, when people came looking for quiet, rural living on large parcels of land. Paradise Valley grew with a vision: homes on 1 to 5 acres, no commercial centers, and strict zoning to preserve the landscape. It became a haven for privacy, views, and open space. In the late 1950s, Phoenix and Scottsdale wanted to annex the area. Residents pushed back, and in 1961, Paradise Valley officially became its own town to protect its character. Today, Paradise Valley is known for luxury estates, mountain views, and some of the highest home values in Arizona. It's a blend of quiet desert living and high-end real estate. With strict zoning, no high-rises, and limited commercial development, Paradise Valley remains a rare pocket of exclusivity, just minutes from Scottsdale and Phoenix. It's not just about price, it's about place. Paradise Valley is where Arizona's desert history meets modern luxury living. Follow for more Arizona stories, drone flights, and real estate profiles. Thanks for watching.